Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Now in this video, I'm going to put on a skin from Dbrand, $17.67. That included shipping for a red skin for the back of my S20 Ultra. Right now, I have part of it on because I wanted to protect that camera area. Lots of glass back there. You can see that's black honeycomb. And that's really a good looking skin for that area. There's just too much exposed there, and I just do not want to scratch up that glass area. That's a huge camera hump. That's a mountain of cameras right there, and it needs to be protected, and that just looks dope, man. That just looks fresh. I love the gray, but man, I just don't want to take any chances. Red, black, that should look really good. And I have a liquid screen protector that I'm going to apply afterwards that I purchased over at Amazon for $12.99. 3-pack Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 6.9 inch 5G screen protector, not tempered glass. Flexible film, bubble-free protector for Galaxy S20 Ultra. Amazon's choice. So yeah, I'm going to give you an update on this screen protector after a few days. One of the areas that I'm going to be updating you on is how case-friendly this screen protector is with the cases that are going to be put on and off. And also I'll let you know how the Dbrand skin is going to hold up as well with all the cases going on and off. So yeah, anyway, so what I want to do is put the skin on first, and I'll show you. I already opened it up obviously because, well, I have that honeycomb skin on the camera area there. Okay, and in here, I don't even know what that's for. A little piece of styrofoam. They give you an extra one. That's really nice. Thank you, Dbrand. So I got the red matte Dbrand skin that's going to go on the back, the glass back of my S20 Ultra. And I didn't know I was actually getting the skin for the camera area as well. Now, I know I purposely ordered this one here for the camera area, and I got two. Okay, I didn't know I was going to get two, and I got that one there as well. So that's really cool, and you get a microcloth.
So, if you want to wipe the phone down, that's nice. That's nice. Dbrand. Alright, without further ado, I hope I do this super fast, or else I'm going to have to utilize the fast motion. Okay, so we're going to take the skin. I don't know if it should go up a little bit more, maybe not. It looks perfect, man. Maybe not. It looks pretty good. So you're just going to have to press along the sides. It's going to curve, the skin will curve around the edge of the sides, on both sides, right and left. I probably should be using a blow dryer, but I'm not going to use the blow dryer. I'm going to see if I can just do this without the blow dryer. I may have to put the video on pause if it doesn't stay down. We'll see. Probably should have watched that video, huh? Yeah, I probably should have watched that video. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to go get the blow dryer.
Alright, I'm back. We're going to heat this up just a little bit. You want to continuously move the blow dryer around. I got it on warm, not hot. You don't want to keep it in one place. Okay, you don't want to do that. Put that over there. And it should heat up the adhesive underneath the skin to allow it to adhere to the body of my S20 Ultra. That's what we want. Okay? That's what we want. Get those corners. Okay.
So I've turned up the heat a little bit to make sure that the corners are going to go down. The corners that I'm having a little issue with. So you want to really get that adhesive heated up. But you don't want to leave it in one spot like that. Okay? You don't want to do that. So we're going to just heat that up. Put that down. And continue to just firmly press on the skin. I can feel the adhesive starting to stick.
All right, I'm gonna put the video on pause. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up some of this process because then we would end up spending all day together, and I know you have things to do, so. All right, so there we go. You can get a good look at the skin. Wow. Pretty happy with myself. As you can see, there's a little area there that goes up and around the volume rocker and power button. But man, that looks nice. That honeycomb camera skin there, that looks fresh. Come on now. Truth be told. Okay, now we're going to do the skin installation. I'm gonna get that out, see what's inside of here. So please read everything, okay? Everything. I'm not gonna go through all of that. I'm gonna let you do that. Okay. And then we're gonna get out everything that we need. There's the liquid spray. We should have dry wipe, a wet wipe, a couple of them, because you do get, I think they said 3, right? When I was reading the info, yeah, there's 3. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll put the other 2 over there. They should have gave me one more wipe, wet wipe, and a dry wipe. They would have gave me 1 microcloth and the squeegee.
We're going to do a wet wipe. Wet wipe. I don't ever really use the dry wipe. Okay, clean that off really good. I'm gonna bring the light over here a little bit more, get more light. And it's a process, man. It's a process, so be patient.
Wipe her down really good. And then we're gonna squirt down the screen, squirt down my fingers. And here is the screen protector. Okay. Here it is on this side. And we want to squirt down the side that's going to go on. Okay. You got to move it around. Get it right where the camera area is there. Okay. We're going to squeegee all the water out of there. And you want to continuously rub the sides down. I am going to apply some warm heat to the sides on low. This will help the liquid screen protector adhere to the sides of my dynamic AMOLED display. Okay, so we want to get that just a little bit warm. Always moving around the blow dryer. And if there's any bubbles, you want to just leave them be. You don't want to force them out as your device sits overnight. My S20 Ultra, those bubbles will go away on their own, so do not worry about that. Okay, do not worry about that. Wow, that looks really, really nice. So I don't know if you can see, it looks like there's a little bit of liquid in there, a few bubbles. All of that's going to work itself out. It's just going to work itself out. Okay, not wait to see how the screen protector looks in the morning. All right, we are done. Give you an update. Skin looks great. Dbrand. Totally digging it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate your time. Peace. I'm out. Please leave feedback and subscribe if you're not part of Team My Project 13. Now I'm out.